Hi kids, Mr. Agee here, and I'd like to talk with you about your writing, the project that we're going to be doing for the next couple of weeks here, and your assignment for today in particular and how it relates to that. So you're going to click into the work folder for today, November 30th through December 4th. You're going to go into writing, and you're going to notice that there's a video here on a persuasive speech. And the speech is called Kids Need Recess, okay? And it's a boy who delivers a 3-minute speech that he wrote to talk about his opinion that kids need recess. And so he delivers the speech from memory, but it is a written speech. And so we're going to start thinking about what is the job of of someone who's writing a persuasive speech, and how do they do that job? We're going to start by analyzing a real world example, and this is it here in this video, the persuasive speech Kids Need Recess. After you watch this video, I want you to post some things in the discussion. So everybody's job is to post some things in the discussion, and you have to answer these questions. After you watch the video, Kids Need Recess, answer the following questions about the speech the boy gave. What did you notice? What did you think? And what did you wonder? And you can see I am hoping that you feel free to respond thoughtfully and positively to your classmates' post. That's not just a good job. That is having a thought or opinion about what your classmates post. So you should have at least 3 sentences that you post in this comment section. You should have a what I noticed or I noticed that. Number 2, I thought that. And 3, I wondered how or why. So when you're writing your comments, you can even do it like this. 1, I noticed that. And then 2, and you're going to write in complete sentences. So you should have capital letters at the beginning and punctuation at the ends of your sentences. You can write more than one sentence. I encourage you to write many sentences. But we want to just get a starting point for discussing how do we do this job of writing a persuasive speech, of having an opinion and trying to persuade someone to change their mind about something, and think like you think. So how do you do this job? What are the craft strategies that writers use when they create persuasive speeches? So for number 2, I thought blank. And number 3, I wonder why, and then complete the thought. So you should have at least 3. You should have I noticed that, I thought, and I wonder why. And then when you go into other classmates' posts, you can thoughtfully respond to what they noticed or what you thought or what they thought or what they wondered. And feel free to directly address me in your comments in that you post, because this is going to be kind of a jumping off point for us tomorrow as we discuss writing persuasive speeches and we get that writing time to start developing our own persuasive speech, because that's the job you've got over the next 12 days or so. It's really 14 days until we end this virtual learning experience at winter break. But we're going to try to have a written persuasive speech by every child in our classroom, and we'll get a chance to celebrate and share those things. All right, good luck and have fun with this. This speech is really, really great, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you thought about it.